The Everlast Versa showcases field and lime green grass blades paired with a green thatch layer for added realism. In addition to its natural appearance, Everlast Versa features a proprietary M blade-shaped technology allowing for versatile landscape installations. Everlast Versa is perfect for dog runs, patios, lawn replacement, and trade shows. Everlast Turf products are strong and beautiful. UV technology is incorporated during the manufacturing process, protecting your turf from the sun. Everlast Versa showcases an extremely strong backing where the grass blades are triple reinforced with the toughest tough bind at 10+ pounds. The backing is also perforated for fast drainage, capable of expelling water at over 30 inches per hour per square yard, far better than a natural lawn. Water, pet urine, as well as any other liquids will drain so much faster, giving your turf the beauty it deserves. Guaranteed to stay beautiful with a 15-year warranty, Everlast Versa is the perfect product that will work for you and your clients.